Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Desert Monsoon Smooshy marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my manicure today, I'll be using 4 colors from the What's Up Nails Desert Monsoon collection, which I did receive as PR. The purple is Succulent, the blue is Downpour, the gold is Sun, and the pink is Tempest. I'll also be using the purple as my base color, and once I have that complete, I'll be protecting around my nails using liquid latex. For my Smooshy, I'm going to be using my Moyu London Crystal Clear Stamper, and I'm going to try to lay the colors out pretty much the same for each nail, with 3 drops of purple and then 2 drops of each of the other colors. Once you've finished all the nails and removed the protection, you can go ahead and do any closer cleanup with a small brush dipped in acetone. Once cleanup is complete, I'm going to finish with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out, but I did have a couple other color combinations in mind for the Smooshy, and I can't help but wonder how those would have actually turned out on the nail as well. If you'd like to see that testing as well as the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.